In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount code in Sendowl. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each setting means, and how to save a code that's ready for your next promotion. Start by opening your browser and searching for Sendowl. In the results, choose the official Sendowl site to avoid any lookalikes. Once the homepage loads, sign in with your account credentials so you can access your dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Marketing. This is where Sendowl groups features that help you promote your products. In the Marketing section, select Discounts from the submenu. You'll land on a page listing any existing discounts. To create a new one, click the Add New button. Now you'll configure the discount. Begin with the name field. This is your internal reference, such as Black Friday sale or spring launch. Use a name that clearly tells you what the promotion is about, and if helpful, include dates or the discount value so it's easy to find later. Next is code. This is what customers will type at checkout, like Save 20. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. Avoid special characters and stick to simple, readable text. Choose the type of discount. You can select a percentage such as 20% off, which scales with the price of the product, or a fixed amount such as $5 off, which takes the same amount off every eligible order. Pick the option that best matches your campaign goals and margins. Enter the value. This is the exact discount number: 20 for a 20% discount or 5 for $5 off, depending on the type you chose. Under Products, decide whether the code applies to all products or only specific products. If you limit it to specific items, make sure to select the exact products you want the discount to work on so there's no confusion at checkout. Set the usage limit to control how many total times the code can be redeemed, for example, the first 50 customers. This helps prevent overuse and keeps the promotion within your budget. Add a date range if the offer is temporary. Set a start and end date so the code activates and expires automatically. Double-check the dates and your time zone to ensure it aligns with your campaign. If you want to encourage larger orders, set a minimum order, such as spend $50 to get $10 off. This ensures the discount only applies when the cart meets your threshold. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Create Discount. Your code is now ready to share with your audience.